Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage lowered state field of view in Hunt Showdown. And to do this, first let's click on the escape and move to our options. Right here we can find the lowered state field of view in the game, and you can switch between default and zoom options. And on the right you can also see the information that lowered state field of view, select the lowered state field of view. The default field of view is applied without multipliers. Zoom, this default field of view is applied with slight zoom multiplier. And this only applies to the accessories or anything that you can't zoom with. So for example, if we take out our half skid or the bandages, then we can go into the options and switch to the zoom, and you will see that we are now zoomed in, and you can see the bush and the stairs only partially on the left. Now when we turn to the default mode, we'll be able to see entire stairs as well as the wall and the bush on the left as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.